Hello ladies and gentlemen and those in between, thank you for coming back. This is the Cheap Bike Build Off Part 3 and today we are going to a lovely place called Bicycle Links in Norwich. They have lots of second-hand parts, which is perfect for the build and for the budget. So I'm just going to play some clips and some videos. It's going to be a nice relaxed video of all the bits and bobs that they have over there. We do get a couple of bits so we can start putting more things on the bike. So here we go. It's not very often that you find a bike shop with so many second-hand parts nowadays, and it's just nice to pick through some of the older parts that might have a bit more character and a bit more something about them. We do need a silver bottle cage, so the second one I'm about to pick up, this one here is the one we end up going for, so I wanted just a nice silver subtle cage. So at this point we're still looking for a rack for the bike, and in the corner of my eye I noticed this tubus one. I did end up buying it for the £10 it was listed for. When I got home I checked how much they were originally, and it's called the Tubus Ergo Lowrider, I think it was, and they originally retailed at £109. So what a bargain. This was a cool little multi-tool that took my fancy, just like a sort of cigar cutter end sort of looking thingy-mabob of different such and suches. Now if you're looking for a pre-built retro bike, this place definitely has a couple. This is a really nice giant ATX 850. It wouldn't have been there anymore if it was in my size. Those of you who follow me on Instagram may have already seen this clip here. I saw these really nice Bibia bungees and I thought they'd be perfect for the rack. We then stopped and had a little bit of a slow down and had some very nice hot chocolates. And as you'll see, I managed to find something that I've been looking for a very long time from a regular bicycle shop, mainstream sort of one. And here it is. With not much time left in the day, I thought I'd start polishing out the original brake levers. Now you can see why I was polishing the plastic too. This is a Sunrace friction shifter 6-speed that I managed to find in my parts bin. I'm going to put a valuation of about £3 to this because I don't know anyone who wants to buy these anymore. Yeah, so we're going to clean this up and then get it fitted to the bike. So yes, I've had a haircut. It's quite short. I know, I just kind of buzzed off. I fancy doing it. So let's have a quick look on the mock-up of the bars and grips. So I've just quickly shoved them on. There's the brakes all nice and shiny. Here's the shifter that we tidied up. Give it a quick service. That comes out nice clean. So we can have that on there. Roughly like that maybe. And the other sides come out quite nice. I'll get some cables put on it, but I'll do that out of video because cables are boring. The rear brakes here, these are all done up shiny-ish. The front ones are not done, as you can see. Still a bit gritty. Here's the rack. I want to see if I can get that on there somehow. Let's have a look if we can do it. I don't know. Now we're just going to quickly fit this bottle cage. There was one on this bike, I'm pretty sure. I've just got to find where the bolts were. Pardon me, were. Right, so these bolts are a little bit worse for wear. So I think that will kind of ruin it. Well, I might have to drill that out a little bit because that is a very tight fit. Or maybe just screw it through, but yeah, I'll have to sand that down. What we're going to do is we're just going to use some sandpaper and I'm just going to rub it all on there. Can't forget a bit of juice lubes. I just like putting things on there. Makes me feel like I know what I'm doing. I think. There we go, that's the bottle cage fitted. Suits the bike as much as a bottle cage can. Right guys, so I think we're going to leave it there for this video. There wasn't too much on the build this time, but it was because it was more of an adventure video. I much prefer that sort of thing. I think it's more entertaining. However, that's the bike so far. It's getting there. I do have the saddle, I just keep it taking it on and off because I use it on a different bike. I will see if we can buy or get one within a budget. There's a guy who wants to buy the Specialized wheels and tyres off of this for about £60. So he's going to come today, which is Wednesday. So hopefully we can get a little bit more money so we can buy a saddle or something else. But yeah, thank you very much for watching again guys, and join me in the next one. Bye! And for anyone who wants to see any early release stuff, follow me on Instagram The link is in the description below.